I'm just recording, like, the construction and the equipment. Not trying to get you in trouble or anything, brother. People like to see this shit, you know?
If that's all it is, then why don't you just say something at the beginning?
That's what I did, bro.
That's why you're recording me?
I'm just trying to put some tractor videos and construction videos online, brother.
Well, is there something we can help you with?
No.
I don't consent to being filmed. So
but you're in public. I don't need your consent.
Two-party consent state.
That's if you're on a phone, brother.
No, sir. If you don't leave our
That's if you're in private.
I'm gonna call the police.
Please call the police. I'd rather you do that than put your hands on me.
He got a boo-boo, poor baby.
How's that fucking legal? He does it all the time. Wish I had my personal purpose like this. Wish I had my personal purpose like this. Wish I had my personal purpose like this.
Okay, we do have officers on the way. They will be there shortly. Does he have any weapons other, I know he has a camera, but other than that, any weapons at all?
Take my PPE off, This is like y'all's second or third time this be all right. This is our first time.
Let me tell you about the other guys that was here, and I'm sure the police told you about that.
Somebody was working here the other day and called for it.
Why didn't you get a real job, man? Real job, man. Here, get a real job.
Somebody was working here the other day and called for it. He just probably just next time y'all just
Yep, you can always be better, but there's always someone worse, so I'm not going to complain, you know.
Two really free and just free. Now it's just walking.
He's in public.
And where'd you go at?
Just confirming, do you have a unit for the brief stop?
Other guys that were here, they just treated me like a piece of shit because I'm filming. I told them what I was doing exactly. I told them my website and everything, you know. And being open and upfront, it doesn't help really, brother.